Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to explain why earning more money doesn't necessarily increase your income and how to fix this common problem in 2023. You might think that the more money you make, the more money you have left at the end of the month. But that's not always the case. Many people struggle with managing their money, regardless of how much they earn. They end up spending more than they save, living paycheck to paycheck, and having no financial security. Why does this happen and what can you do about it? Here are some tips and strategies to help you out. 1. Understand the difference between income and wealth. Income is the amount of money that you receive from your work or other sources, such as investments, dividends, or royalties. Wealth is the amount of money that you have accumulated over time, such as savings, assets, or net worth. Income is not wealth, and wealth is not income. You can have a high income but low wealth, or vice versa. The key is to use your income to build your wealth, not to spend it all. 2. Track your income and expenses. The first step to managing your money wisely is to track your income and expenses. You need to know how much money is coming in and going out every month. This will help you create a realistic budget, identify your spending habits, and find opportunities to save more money. You can use tools like Mint or YNAB to help you track your income and expenses. 3. Live below your means. The second step to managing your money wisely is to live below your means. This means spending less than you earn and saving the difference. Living below your means will help you avoid debt, build an emergency fund, and invest for the future. It will also help you adjust your lifestyle to match your income level, not the other way around. You can use tools like Trim or Bill Shark to help you lower your bills and expenses. 4. Pay yourself first. The third step to managing your money wisely is to pay yourself first. This means setting aside a portion of your income for savings and investments before you spend it on anything else. Paying yourself first will help you prioritize your financial goals, such as retirement, education, or home ownership. It will also help you grow your wealth over time through the power of compound interest. You can use tools like Acorns or Betterment to help you save and invest automatically. 5. Increase your income strategically. The fourth step to managing your money wisely is to increase your income strategically. This means finding ways to earn more money that align with your skills, passions, and goals. Increasing your income strategically will help you boost your cash flow, diversify your income sources, and achieve financial independence faster. You can use tools like Upwork or Fiverr to help you find freelance gigs or side hustles online. So there you have it, why earning more money doesn't increase your income and how to fix it in 2023. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know what you think about these tips and strategies and how you plan to use them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.